All right, we'll be starting right now. Once again, hello everyone and welcome to the HPMT Tool Advisor webinar. I'm Nana from Sales Department and I will be your moderator today. We are thrilled to have you join us for this exciting session where we will be diving into the features and benefits of the HPMT Tool Advisor, a revolutionary tool designed to optimize your machining process. Before we get started, I have a few housekeeping items to cover. First, this webinar is being recorded and will be available for playback later. Second, we encourage you to ask questions at any time during the presentation by typing them into the Q&A box. We will address as many questions as possible during the Q&A session at the end of the webinar. Also, we will run a polling question during the session and stay tuned to vote your answers. This will be the floor for today's session. Firstly, we will introduce the tools by sharing on the feature and benefit, and following, we will do the live demonstrations. We understand the value of your time, so we will do our best to wrap up the session within 35 minutes. I'm pleased to introduce our distinguished speakers for today. First up, we have Ms. Wabi from the technical team, and following her, we have Ms. Joey from the marketing team, who will be sharing the live demo of these tool advisors. Also, I'm delighted to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Luciano Pezzota, our marketing director, who will be delivering the opening speech. Welcome, Luciano.
Thank you, Nana. Just a couple of words before I pass it back to you to present in detail the feature and benefits of our new tool advisor. What I like to share is that for those that are not aware, this is not the first tool advisor that we have in HPMT. We actually had one for quite a long time. And in fact, it was time for a significant revamp. Something that we did, took some time. It was quite a big effort also to work on the front end, to aligning with the back end. And we hope you find the tool advisor features much improved compared to the previous one. But what I would like to stress is that in developing this new tool advisor that we keep calling tool advisor, in reality, we tried to do something more, which is to develop a sort of virtual technical assistant that is providing additional technical information that should be helpful in your pre-sales and post-sales efforts in order to provide you also with collaboration and sharing features that make this information not only available, but easy to utilize and share with your colleagues or with your customers. So we hope you're gonna utilize and appreciate it. And we are already aware that it's not gonna be the end of this journey, because like all the applications in this world, they require continuous development. So we already prepare to develop a new version, but in order to do that and to ensure that we meet your requirements and we provide a tool that is useful to the user, that is actually yourself, please reach out to us anytime through the people you're talking to or through our general email info@hpmtindustry.com with suggestions, with feedback. They are very valuable and we really appreciate them. And with that, I finish my brief intro. Thank you again for making the time. Nana, back to you.
Thank you, Luciano, for the opening speech. All right. We would like to launch our first polling question, and I hope everyone can be ready. There is 2 questions in this poll, so allow me to launch it. All right, as you can see on your screen right now, the first question is, how often do you currently use digital tools to assist in your sales efforts? Daily, weekly, monthly, rarely? And second question is, have you used HPMT previous tool advisor, often, rarely, or never? All right, I will end the polling session in 5 seconds and let's see the results together. Okay, this is the result for the first question. As you can see, actually like 30% audience says that they are using tool advisor daily and weekly basis. And of course, like 50% of the audience never use HPMT previous tool advisors. Where is not, we will do a live demonstration and you will be familiar with our tool advisors in the future. All right, so before we proceed with the live demonstration, I would like to brief what is HPMT Tool Advisor. This is a platform where we provide tools recommendation based on your requirements, such as material to be cut, application, product range, and etc. Therefore, we divided this platform into 3 categories that you can do your searching. First, search by application, second, search by specification, and third, search by HPMT product name. You can also download our cutting parameters and drawing as well through this tool advisor. So for today's session, we will experience with the live demo with 2 examples from our products, which is K92 from our Nitico 45 for end mill and W08 from our DRS series for drill. So, okay, before that, let's me move to the second polling question. I hope that everyone can be ready and I will launch it right now. So the question is, what type of devices do you primarily use for accessing sales tools and information by desktop computer, laptop, tablet, smartphone? This interesting answer that I see right now. Okay, so I will end the polling question and share the results. As you can see, like 59% of audience are using laptop and 37% of audience are using smartphone. So where is not is actually our tool advising is like very mobile friendly. You can have it from your smartphone as well. All right. So thank you for the voting again, everyone. Without further delay, we would like to bring you to our live demonstration and Ms. Wabi will share the screen. Wabi, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Nana. Okay, so the one that you are looking at on the screen right now is our Tool Advisor website. So basically, if you look here, there's actually end mill and also drill. So I am going to walk you through for the end mill functions, and my colleague Joey will walk you through for the drill functions. So basically, starting for end mill, you can see actually we have 3 functions here, which is firstly search by application and also search by specification. And lastly, search by product name. So I will let you know what are the differences and how do we use this tool advisor. So firstly, we will go for search by application. So before anything, you should know what is your working material first. So and then from here, you can select your working material. So we have a few working materials here. So in any cases, if let's say you are confused or you only know a small portion or small part of the working material, you can actually go to our material appendix here and actually view all of the working materials available. So example, I will just show you guys. So here is aluminium, and let's say we also have super alloy or maybe stainless steel. So apart from that, you can also search. Let's say you are trying to find stainless steel. So you can just type it there and it will appear here. So then you can just select accordingly. So in this case, I am going to select K02, ductile cast iron. Then we can move forward. Okay, then it will prompt you on the diameter range. So basically for diameter range, let's say I'll take about 6. And the cutting length, I would choose 13. So I move forward. So now these are the range of applications that we have. So basically the one that is highlighted is the one that you can select. So in this case, I'm going to select slide milling. So we move forward. So okay, now it is actually filtering the recommended tools and it will appear what are the recommended tools that is suitable for according to our specification. So if you look here, there's actually 21 items that actually is according to your specification or the one that I have chosen before. So this is a high performance tool. So the series is Nitico 45 and this is the EDP, which is K92. So basically it's a 4 fluid. So this is the image. And also these are the functions this is the features of the tool. So firstly, it's actually microgreen carbide, and it is a square end mill, and it is differential helix. It has a feature of differential helix and also differential pitch. And also this is the coating type. So this one is using T-sin coating. So you can actually move to the side. And this is the performance of the tool, meaning for K92, it is best used for semi-finishing and also finishing. And it is also suitable for roughing. So in any cases, if let's say you would like to share our catalog, so you can just click this button and you can see there's a download button, or you can share through various platforms such as WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and also email. And if you want to share it manually, that is also the link here. So you can just copy the link. So let's just try to download it. So this is what would appear if you download the file. So basically this is the Nitico 45 full series and full range. So you can see this is the related EDP for Nitico 45 and the features and the diameters and so on. So you can get all of the infos in it if you download it. So a part of it, you can also share this tool. Let's say you are currently browsing it using your phone, as what Nana mentioned just now. So you can share this tool. You can, the same medium. You can go by WhatsApp, LinkedIn, email, or you can just copy the link. So aside from that, you can also see the range of the tool if you click this see range button. So in any cases, if you would like to order, you can just give this order number to our sales representative and they can put in the order for you. So this is the specifications of the tool, and this indicates that actually we have the stock. So it is available for you to order. And also, we also have cutting parameters and also 2D and 3D files for you to download and view. So let's say we are trying to access this cutting parameter. So this cutting parameter is actually for K92 diameter 6. So you can see it has the diameter and also the number of fluid, the cutting speed, the AP, AE, and also the spindle speed. So if you would like to share this particular cutting parameter to anyone, so you can just click the share button and you can see also the same various platform available, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, email, or maybe you can just copy the link. Or actually you would like to save this K92 EDP for Nitico 45. So you can just click the save button. So it is saved in PDF. So this is actually the full information for K92 Nitico 45. So you can see the tool performance is here, the features, the tool data, which is the order number, the specification, and whether it is in stock or not, the material type, and lastly, the cutting data. So it is easily accessible and easily shared. And also, in any cases, if you would like to revise, not to say revise, if you would like to edit the values, you can also export to Excel. So basically, it is something like this. Okay, so you can see actually these are the cutting parameter just now. So it is in Excel format. All right. So now I will get back here. Okay. Another one is actually Another one is actually the drawing. So the download 2D and 3D file. So this is the downloaded 2D and 3D file. So if you download the DXF file, you would have this drawing. So basically this drawing. And if you download the STP file, so basically this one. So this is open in SolidWorks. So this is an STP file basically. So now I will move on to search by specification. So I hope it is clear. If you have any questions, you can actually just drop into our chat box or Q&A. So later on, we will reply you accordingly. So for search by specification, so let's walk through this. So basically, it's actually, if you have already in mind what are the features that you want, the type of tools that you want, you can actually select it here. So firstly, let's say the tool type that I want is square and mill. So I will just click the square and mill. And the tool length is, I would choose standard. And also number of flute 4. And also the recess, I would like without recess. The shank type is without welded shank. And I would like to have a tool width coating. So the special features, let's say I would like to have differential pitch and also differential helix. And the coolant type would be without coolant since this is end mill. So now, these are the range or the recommended tools according to my selection or my features that I want. So basically, there's 13 items found. So starting from, we have easy line, optimum, and so on. So let us see if actually K92 is in here. Okay, so here is it. So this is K92, Nitico 45, the same, the features, the performance. So if you click see range, you can actually access the full range of the product. Meaning, what diameter we have, starting from diameter 3 until diameter 20. Also, you can access the cutting parameter and also the drawing. So next is actually the search by product name. So basically, this is, for me, by far is the easiest one. So if you have a product in mind, let's say now I would like to find K92 Nitico 45 series. So you just click and you can just type here K92. So you see, this is the full range of the Nitico 45 series. And this is the specific K92 only. So if I click here and I submit it, so basically you can see all of our Nitico 45 tool is in here. And if let's say now I am going to find only K92. So I'll just click this one and I submit. So see, this is actually just for K92 tool. So also we have similar tools that is also recommended for you to, in case you want to do comparison or you would like to find alternative tools. So you can access it here. So I hope it is clear for you. As I mentioned, if let's say there's any questions, you can drop into our Q&A or maybe chat box. So now I would like to pass back to Nana because I believe she have some polling questions to ask you. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Abby. So let me launch the next polling question. So I hope that everyone can be ready. The question is, how important is it for you to have a tool that allows easy sharing of information with colleagues and customers? Very important, important, moderately important, or not even important? Wow, this is a fast voting that I have for today. All right, I will, I'm still getting the answer. I will end the poll right now and let's see the results together. So as you can see on your screen right now, the tool advisor is really important to ease the daily work basically. So everyone is agree with that. Okay. So without further delay, thank you everyone again. All right, now I would like to call Miss Jolie to do the live demonstration for drill lines, which is it has a slightly different with the admin live demonstration just now. So I pass to you, Jolie.
Thank you, Nana. Let me continue with the drills demonstrations. Same as the MU, drills also have the 3 different types of searching function, which is search by application, search by specifications, and search by product name. Let me start with the search by applications. As you can see, first, we need to choose the material choice. From here, you will need to choose what material choice you are working with. For example, I want to look for our W08. We can choose from this list, Or if you cannot find anything from here, so you can just click the material appendix and choose from this table. This table have more description of material choice. If you still cannot get anything from here, you can go to the search bar and key in like cast. And I found it. This is the cast iron. So I just click on it. Second, you can enter the diameter you want to working with. For example, I will choose the biggest diameter 20. Let's go for it. Click the forward. And you can see, next step is the applications of drills template. From this template, you can notice here we have 3 types of tools, which is drills, reamers, and NC spot. Compared to the ML template, it have a slightly difference. So this is the difference. So let me choose the application is drilling and click forward. Based on the input, we found 5 items found here. And you can see the first choice is show that our tools W08 DRS is a general tools, and the product name is DRS Twist Drill 3Ds. And this is the product picture image, and this is the tool pictures. And let me introduce one by one to you. This is the material that we use, is the microgreen carbide, drilling deep 3-D, helix 30 degree, and the coating T8090. You can click on the share button to download. Yeah, just now my colleague just already share you how it look like. So I will skip on this part. Or you can share our product leaflet in various platforms, which is WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or email. Or alternatively, you can click on this, copy this link and send to the URL manually. Let's click on the share these tools. We share this page, and you can click on share this page to using via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, email, or manually. You just copy this link and send to others. Here we got mentioned is in stock, means that we have stock is available. Click on the C range. You can see this is our product specifications in details, including the order number. If you want to order these tools, you can give our sales representative W08 2000. This is the SKU to order these tools. And here is the summary with cutting parameters. This is the recommend cutting parameters for W08 2000. As you can see, here we have the diameter, number of fluid, cutting speed, spindle speed, and feed rate. And here we have aggressive cutting parameters and conventional cutting parameters. You can click share button, share this cutting parameter via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, email, or URL. Or else you can save, click the save button to export it with summary of cutting parameters. This is a sample, our summary of cutting parameter page for DRS W08 is complete with the product specifications and the selected material that just now we select and the recommend cutting parameters. If you think that these cutting parameters is not suitable for you, don't worry about that. You can click on the export to Excel file. And this is the sample of Excel file. You can edit the Excel file and make the adjustment for yourself. Let me continue with the next. Here you can download our product drawing in 2D or 3D drawings. Let me continue with the next section, which is search by specifications. On my left-hand side, you can see this is the tool filtering system. We have the 2-time point angle, drilling deep, let me select which tool type. I will select the drills, point angle, 140 degree, drilling deep, 3 times the coating with a coated, coolant type without coolant hole. Let's see what's the result it shows us. This wait a moment. This captures some result. It's found 2 items found. As you can see, it have alternative. It show you the alternative, the recommend tools, as this is our another series is same as our DRS also, something the same features. So let me go to the syringe, and it show that W08 full range from diameter 3 to diameter 20. Let me scroll down to get to see. This is a diameter 20, and it's also give you to save or export or share these cutting parameters. Here, you can download 2D or 3D files also. Let me continue with the next section, which is search by product name. This is the faster way for you to search our product. This is for you for everyone that you already know what is our SKU or product series. You just key in, for example, product SKU name, W08. It shows that the series name and the SKU number also. Let me choose on the SKU number, W08, click submit. And this is the result that you can see. Click on the C range, you can see W08 full range from diameter 3 to diameter 20. It's same. You can share, save or export to Excel files for the cutting parameters. And here you can download our 2D or 3D drawing files. Move to bottom. This is the others DRS product family with 3D, 5D, 8D with and without cutting, it's without oil hole. This is the end of my live demonstrations. Let me have a recap for Tool Advisor features after the demonstration. We have 2 types of products, which is we have airmail and drills. Both have the same search function, which is search by applications, search by specifications, search by product name. Other than that, we also provide the cutting parameters in PDF file and Excel file, and you can share our cutting parameters via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or emails. And you can save our 2D or 3D drawings in PDF file. You can save our 2D or 3D files in various platforms, which is DRS, DFX, and STP format. Let's try our Tool Advisor now. By today, I pass the floor to Nana.
Thank you, Joey, for the process summary. So yes, I do have another poll questions. Let me launch it. And as you can see on your screen right now, the question is, what additional features or resources would you find helpful in the new Tool Advisor? For an example, probably you would like to have a tool categorized by industries and etc. So you can write it down and we will review it after the session. Okay, in 5 seconds, I will end the poll. All right, thank you everyone for your votes, and we will consider the feedback given for future improvement. All right, in addition, as a virtual technical assistant, the Tool Advisor helps identify the right tools based on workpiece material application, or tool specification. It provides cutting parameters to optimize your machining process and to streamline your machining setup by offering drawings in various formats. All right, now I believe that you guys is like eager to have my polling question. So this is the last polling question for today. Let me launch it. Yes, as you can see, what is your preferred method of receiving updates on and training on new sales tools? By webinar, in-person training sessions, online tutorials, or even email newsletters? All right, so I will end the poll questions and share the result. Let's see together. As you can see, like 48% of audience prefer to have webinar. Of course, we will be consider the webinar next time. And for 21% is prefer to have in-person training session. Of course, you can contact our sales representative to discuss about it. Okay, so let's move forward. I would like to take this opportunity to share our latest marketing activity. This year, we are excited to launch our new product, Nitico 45, designed for stainless steels and super alloy applications. The product range starts from a diameter of 3 mm to 20 mm, featuring four main tool types: square, torus, roughing, and multi-flutes. All tool types are available in standard, recessed, welded, and recessed plus welded version, except for multi-flutes, which is available only in standard and recessed versions. All right, so this series is ideal for stainless steel and super alloy materials commonly used in industries such as aerospace, defense, energy, and medical. Not only that, currently, we also have a very interesting product for those looking to pair with a pilot drill. Our Optimum R-Light comes with differential pitch and differential helix, making it very versatile for multi-operational machining and suitable for various materials as well. So, to learn more about our products, the Tool Advisor is now officially available on our website at www.hpmtindustries.com. You can also access it by scanning the QR code displayed on your screen right now, and we encourage you to experience the Tool Advisor for yourself. I'll give you a few seconds to scan the code to experience yourself, and as we approach the end of our session, I want to thank to our speakers, Ms. Wabi and Ms. Joey, for their valuable contributions. Now, it's time for a question. Please type your queries in the chat or Q&A box, and we will address as many as we can within the time you have. Any left out question, we will be addressed in a separate session or emailed to you in an FAQ format after this session. Okay, let me check the Q&A. Somehow everyone also can read in the webinar chat that someone is asking, and our representative is answering already. So let me check the question. All right, is the Tool Advisor accessible to all people, or we need to register or log in to access it? So basically, you don't need to register or to log in it. What you have to do is to access our website, and you can get our Tool Advisor and use and experience it from our website, all right? And also to recap, the stock status refers to the both actually EU and Malaysia. So it is based on our commitment as well for 95% reliable, basically. All right. Okay. Due to the time constraint, thank you everyone for your questions and participation. Before we wrap up, I want to express our gratitude to all participants from Europe and Asia. Your engagement is essential to the success of this session. All right, so I hope you found it beneficial. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us and our support team will be happy to assist you. But don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn for the latest updates. Also check out our website and YouTube channel where we post tool test videos and behind the scenes content from our daily operations at HPMT. Thank you once again and have a great day. Bye-bye, everyone.